Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PTG on the mic. This is our last lesson on intervals for now. In this video, intervals will be made easy. Okay, let's go into the key of D. First of all, I was just using the scale here in the key of D. So when we speak about intervals, previous video you spoke about the intervals. So this one makes an interval. This one makes an interval when you play them together same time. Okay, so when you play intervals, they have to be two separate strings so that you can hear all the sounds together. So first of all, I'm going to give an example starting from the 6th string, the E string, but on D. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 8 here, you can also call it a 1. It is the same key as this one. So you can play a root, which is 1 with the end of this. So it will be 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4. If it's 1 with 3, it's a third. 1 with 4, fourth. 1 with 5, it's a fifth. 1 with 6, 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 and 1, they're the same. So I hope this video was really helpful. See you in the next video.